Hi guys, I'm here to explain about our project, which is based on mobile application, Big Picture Education Australia, with my team, Shravani Reddy, Kavya, and Abdullah is my friend. So the background of this project gonna explain by Shravani. I'll ask Shravani to come and join us. Here's her part. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Shravani and I am here to explain about Big Picture Education Australia, which is also called as BPEA, and what are the, here we are also seeing what are the problems caused by BPEA. First, coming to the Big Picture Education Australia, it is a global but not for profitable organization working in area of education. First Big Picture school was established in the year 1996, and at present it is established, like we have in 8 countries, and those are USA, Canada, New Zealand, the Netherlands, UK, Italy and India. The main philosophy of this organization is to customize education for students and trying to teach one student at a time. The reason for this supplied by the organization is that each student is different and needs different learning environment. The organization partners with the schools and try to provide the students opportunities in real world environment by providing them on-job working opportunities, live project and internship. The student is also supported by network of teachers and communities, and BPEA uses infrastructure of schools to provide the education to children. And Australia is not the first country in which the organization is working. It was first established in Rhode Island, USA in 1996. And in the next slide we are going to discuss about the problems faced by the BPEA. And here we can see there are in three areas we are facing problems by BPEA. Limited ability to increase the number of courses due to limited availability of experts. The management BPA facing some problems which are related to the expansion of the education courses due to the limited availability of experts. BPEA wants to increase the number of subject areas which it is covering in its curriculum, and want to cover whole spectrum of courses from area of science, arts, business, and provide wide variety of options to the students. And coming to the second area, increasing cost of conducting workshops, meetings, seminars, and connecting people with each other. The other important thing that it also does not have any follow-up that can maintain the pace build in such programs for the students. They also want to reduce their cost of travel, which incurs in delivering education to remote areas. And the final and third area is the cost of individualism of education for the students is very high. It becomes higher when in an area only few students wants to learn about a specific subject. It means either the student need to travel, which involve cost, or need to choose another subject which is against the philosophy of the organization. And this is all about the problems faced by BPA. And now my friend Kavya will explain the remaining part, that is about the the purpose of mobile application.
Hi friends, I am Kavya. I am going to explain about the purpose of mobile application. What is the main reason why we are using this mobile application? Mobile application for BPA is to extend the reach for more across Australia and increase the communication between the teacher and the student. Through the advancement in technology and e-learning phenomena across the world, the way of teaching is changing from classroom to online methodology. Mobility in education will change the way the education is being delivered across the world. To address these problems, managements of BPEA have decided to develop a mobile application which helps them in launching more courses at different locations, reaching more number of students, and even the teachers can teach them from different locations. This mobile application project will help them in solving their problems, and they will able to extend to there to reach more people though by sending messages and details for their activities. The mobile application can help increasing communication between teacher and students, increase reach of education, and reduce cost of administrating the education. And what? I'm sorry. To reduce expenses on administrations and travel costs and other non-value added activities, and also to allow the educators to teach from different locations. As the organization is a part for profit organization and take grants for other organizations, funds and people it has pressure to use more money judiciary, and technology is one area in which the organization is being asked to show some results. The organization believes that ease of using a mobile application will allow the organization to raise more funds and it extend the reach on more areas. This is the main purpose of mobile application, why we are using it, and the continuation part will be explained by friend Avis.
Hi, myself Abdul Awais Mohammed. Today I am going to speak about change in schedule. In this part, I'm going to discuss about the problem faced during our work and the part of work which we have completed till now. The project presentation was made by 17th May. We have developed the progress presentation by 7th May so that we can devote more time on final report, which involved more work. We have already started work on final report on 8th May, which was scheduled to start on 18th May. We have already completed 30% of the final report work. We have worked on altering project specification reports and its contents. User demographics section is also ready. Mock-up screen designing is started. We are looking to complete the final report by 1st June. Till date, we have not made any changes to initial purpose. But we are still in process to finalizing the design of the mobile applications. Some of the issues we are facing during the project presentation or project preparation is it's very difficult to meet all the team members at a time at the same place. So we have made a Skype meeting so that we can reach maximum people of the team. And if someone is not available to attend the meeting, there is provision to take meeting through Skype call at designated time. We made sure through team member meet at least twice in a week physically. This helped us in running the project on time. The next part will be continued by my friend Abdul Rahim.
Hi guys, back again. I've worked on everyone's part, but mostly I've worked with Avis with the project milestone, which I'm going to explain, which we have done in our project. In project milestones, there are certain project milestones which have already been completed by the team. They include the complete project background and purpose of mobile application, completed purpose project solution, completed user demographics of this project, and we have already started of mock-up screen designs for the final report, and the milestone which will be coming up in future, including working on users guide and developing mock-up screens, is already being started. Design of the project, working on business analyzing tasks, use cases scenarios are also using in that, and mapping of use case scenarios to user interface, which is very important, and document of object modules are also being added in this project. So going further, this is all about our project, brief presentation, where the credit goes to all of our team, like Shavani, Kavya, me, and my friend Abdul Awais, who is just taking the video of us. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.